So the first thing you're going to do is go to your Canva account. If you don't have a Canva account, I did include a link in the description of this video where you can sign up for a free trial for Canva Pro and Canva free account. So once you're inside your Canva account, all you have to do is to select any of this button. You can do custom size, but I usually do the mood board dimension itself. So once you have that in there, you just go ahead and click on create, and then you'll have a, the blank canvas right there. So first thing that you need to remember before you get started on creating a mood board, there should be a brand discovery process involved, which means you have to do your research and you have to, of course, browse through Google or Pinterest, gather some inspiration, gather some elements, gather some other imagery that you want to use for your mood board. And then from there, you can go ahead and upload it to Canva. You can just go on the left-hand side and you can upload elements from there. So when I create mood boards, I like to use a very specific element to to hold my photos. We can do frames, but I usually do grids. The reason I do grids is grid has a more flexibility when it comes to the kind of dimension that you want. You can resize it, you can make it wider, you can make it smaller and all that stuff. So what we're going to do is just create placeholder grids this time. And we are going to use that to hold our photos later on. Oops. Okay, so we got that. And then in my example, there is, of course, those rectangles that would hold the different colors of the mood board. So I like to use rectangles for that. So let's just do I used a shortcut, which I did press R on my keyboard, and then I just go ahead and duplicate that. For mood boards and brand colors, I usually recommend maximum of 5 colors. So you'll have 2 main colors and 3 colors that could be used as accent colors and background colors. And what I'm doing here right now is just, I'm basically tidying it out, make sure that it's spaced out evenly. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and look for photos, or let's say you have uploaded photos already in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and browse through photos here. And let's say the vibe that you're looking for is you're looking for a boho vibe. So I like to create that one. I like to key in the search keyword here in the search bar and just hit enter. And I'm just grabbing some random photos right here. But in the real process, you really have to have a research first so that you'll know the type of vibe that you're going to go for that particular mood board. So yeah, let's find another one. Right there. Okay, so now that we do have this imagery all in our canvas, what we're going to do is create the palette. So to create the palette, you're just going to click on each of this rectangle. And since Canva has this awesome feature where you can use a color picker tool to pick, to pick a color in any of these photos. So let's get started with that. When you click on the color itself, you click on this plus icon right here, and then you click on this eyedropper tool or color dropper tool, color picker tool, and just go ahead and select any of the elements in any of these photos. So let's see. And it will automatically populate that one. And you're just basically going to repeat the process for the rest of the colors. And when I do mood boards and color boards, I like to make it consistent with what the vibe is all about. So I like to do more of like this one, it's boho, and I like to grab that area of those images that really can, the colors can look good together. And yeah, that's basically what you're going to do to grab those colors. And if you are having like you want to rebrand and all that stuff, obviously you're going to need color codes or the hex codes. The way to find out what your hex code is, and when you click on the color and you click on the plus icon right here, is it will give you that hex code, the color hex code for that particular color. And that is what you're going to use with everything that you're going to do. For maybe you want to create something out of this mood board, you want to rebrand, you want to decorate a room or something. But yeah, that is how you can easily create a mood board in Canva. And you can save it, you can print it out, you can put it next to your desk so that you'll remember what your vibe is all about. But I hope that you find this tutorial helpful, and let me know if you have any questions.